Good morning. Today we'll discuss on the topic automation. Now, what is automation? Automation is the process of making a machine or a system work on its own, or it is a process of making a manual system into an automatic system. Now you might be thinking, what is the advantage of making a manual system into automatic? Right? The only reason is making things simpler. Making things simpler means you make a system manual, there will be many issues. Like in manual system, human labor is more. Human labor is more. That means humans are working more, so that efficiency is less. But in an automatic system, human labor is less. Therefore, efficiency is more. Now, for that purpose, this automation is used. There are many advantages of automation. The first one being faster production. By faster production means that if you implement this automation in industries, there will be faster production, as the machines which will make per day thousands or maybe lakhs of units, right? And for second one is optimum utilization of resources. By optimum utilization of resources means that you will be using the resources which are needed for making a product to its optimum use. That means that you will be using to the required quantity. You will not be using more, or you will be losing less. Okay? And that is used by automation. Okay. Now, what is the history of automation? History of automation is that usually after the Industrial Revolution, people or the companies began to think of doing something which makes production more, so that the population that was increasing can be met. Suppose think about a car company. Where before automation, with manual system, per day car was maybe 100 cars per month was made. When changed to automatic system, there might be thousands or maybe lakhs. So see the difference from 1 lakh, from 1000 it changed to 1 lakh. How? By using this automation. So after the Industrial Revolution, when population was increasing and industries began to grow, the companies think of a process we can change from manual system into automatic. And after the evolution now, many other automations are being developed in the world right now. automation, which might be similar to you, where you can turn on and off a light or a fan in your home by using your smartphone. And that is what is automation, home automation. And second is solar automation. In solar automation, the sun rays which we get for charging the solar panels is not constant throughout the day, right? So we tilt the solar panel in such a way that maximum sun rays force the solar panel and it gets charged. And for that purpose, it is done automatically. And that type of automation is called solar automation. And one of the oldest type of automation is industrial automation. In industrial automation, the automation which happens in industries or in companies or in factories is known as industrial automation, because these two automations are just now being developed, and this automation is one of the oldest automation. Now, what are the tools of automation? Tools of automation means that whatever tools we use for doing this automation, right? And the first one is PLC, and second one is SCADA, third one is HMI, and fourth one is VFD. Now, PLC is just a controller. It is known as programmable logic controller. It is a controller which controls a manual system into an automatic system. Now, second one is SCADA. SCADA is Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. It is a software for supervising, control and acquiring data from a factory or industry, and also you can control the factory. The next one is human machine interface. Human machine interface is a hardware which is installed in factories so that you can control the whole plant like you are controlling from a TV, and that is what is HMI. The next is VFD, and it's variable frequency drive. This is used for controlling the three-phase motors which are used in industries. Now, this whole comprises the distributed control system or DCS. Okay. For PLC, SCADA, HMI and VFD together constitutes a distributed control system, and the whole together does automation. And in my next video, I will be discussing on all these topics in detail.